You tell them.
I'm telling. Okay. Yeah. Hey, what's up, everybody? We're about to do the yet another song. Because of You by Nia. You know that's a banging song. But yeah, we're still in the parking lot at Garrison's, having fun in the car without Larry. I'm joking.
He's missing out.
He really is. But so here's us doing Because of You by Nia.
I hope he doesn't do Want to, but I can't help it. I love the way you feel. Just got yourself between my fantasy and what is real. I need it when I want it. I want it when I'm gone. Tell myself I'll stop every day, knowing that I won't. I got a problem and I don't know what to do about it. Even if I did, I don't know if I would quit, but I doubt it. I'm taken by the thought of me, and I know this much is true. Baby, with you has become my addiction. So strong out on you, that I like it.
I thought that was him. And then I thought that was him. That's his friend we met at the Fresh Pride. We were waving to the guy at Garrison's, who owns Garrison's, by the way, but he didn't wave back
Just now?
Yeah, I was just
He couldn't see it. He can't.
Oh, I forgot that the windows were really, really tinted. Anyway, singing.
Even if I did, I don't know if I would quit, but I doubt it. I'm taking my thought away, and I know this much is true. Baby, with you have become my addiction. I'm so strong out on you. If I knew, but I can't. It's all because of you. It's all because of you. It's all because of you. It's all because of never getting enough. It's sweetest love. No doubt, no doubt.
But it's
I don't care, he is sexy.
You know what? He is sexy.
Okay. So is Jamar.
He is adorable. Let me stop.
Sorry, y'all gonna see shoe. I went down on y'all.
Oh yeah.
That sounds so wrong. I do that all the time. No, that's disgusting. But
we're on CD3. What is 4?
Oh, we already listened to it.
Goodbye. Peace out.
Love you. She does too. She just don't tell everybody
that. I don't tell everybody I love them because I have to actually love you to tell you I love you.